kindergartners, welcome back to Social Studies. Today we're going to continue looking at pictures from long ago. Our checklist for today: review the objectives, watch the lesson video, complete the assignment, and then click Mark as Done on Google Classroom. Our content objective for today: I can analyze a picture from long ago. Our language objective: I can explain how children's lives have changed over time. The only materials you will need for today is your Chromebook. All right, let's get into looking at some more pictures. If you remember yesterday, we looked at these pictures of the one-room schoolhouse here in Marshalltown. And we thought about who was in the pictures, why the picture was taken, where the picture was taken, what you see in the picture, what's happening in the picture. And then we continue that with these pictures and these other pictures. We're going to continue looking at other pictures today. Look at the pictures on the page, the images. Again, our job today is to be an investigator and look at the pictures and see what things in the pictures are the same as how school is today and what things are different. When you're analyzing or looking really closely at these pictures, what do you notice? Who is in the picture? What are they doing? Why are they doing it? Where was this picture taken? The first thing that I noticed was that this picture was taken outside. There are students in the picture. In this picture, it looks like they might be playing a game of some kind. And again, over here, it looks like they might be playing a game. Another idea I have is I notice that the teacher looks like they are holding a bell in their hand. And something that I know about when students are playing outside, when it's time to go back inside, you might hear a whistle or a bell. So now I'm wondering if maybe recess time is over or outside playtime is over, and she's ringing the bell for them to line up. Is that the same or different from how students line up from recess today? Let's look at some more images. What do you notice? Who is in the pictures? What are they doing in the picture? Where are the pictures taken? Why are the pictures taken? Some things I want to point out to you. These students on the bottom, they are gathering water for their classroom and their classmates. How do you get water today? Do you get it from a bucket? Or do you get it from a sink or a drinking fountain? The next picture I want you to look at is this picture in the right corner. I notice that there are two students who are outside of the school. If you look really closely in their hands, they have chalkboard erasers. So when you write on the chalkboard, to get all the writing off, you have to erase it. And they have a chalkboard eraser in each of their hands. They are going to clap these chalkboard erasers, like pretend like you're clapping your hands. They're going to do that same motion with the chalkboard erasers in their hand. And that's going to get all of the chalk out of those erasers so they're ready to use again. And in this left corner, what do you see this person is doing? They're sweeping. That's right. Now, These three pictures are showing responsibilities that students had in schools long ago. Do you have any responsibilities at home? Some responsibilities you might have maybe are called chores. Have you ever had chores? Maybe your chores are cleaning up your bedroom, picking up your toys, setting the table for meals, helping clean up for the meals. Are these the same responsibilities that you have at home? Or are they different? Next, let's look at these images. I want you to think of those same questions I have been asking you. Who is in the picture? What do you notice about the picture? What are they doing in the picture? Where is the picture taken? And why is the picture taken? Let's look at the image on the left. The first thing that I noticed was they are holding sandwiches in their hands, and they are outside. I'm wondering if they are eating lunch outside. I also noticed that each student has one of these tin buckets by them. I wonder if that is their lunchbox. Like maybe sometimes when you are eating a meal away from your home and your grown-up packs your lunch in your lunchbox to keep it cold and take it with you. Does your lunchbox look like this, or does it look a little bit different? Now let's look at the picture on the right side. What do you notice? I see that it looks like that they are washing their hands. And I think that because I see that this person has soap, it looks like, and this student is rubbing their hands together with a bowl of water. Is this how you wash your hands? Or is how you wash your hands a little bit different? Now, I want you to think about responsibilities that you have. Let's go back to this page. Responsibilities that you have. Or maybe, like I said earlier, maybe you call them chores at your house. I want you to think about some responsibilities that you have at your house, and also some responsibilities that students had long ago. When you have your thoughts in your head, go ahead and go to the next slide, and I will explain your assignment for today.